Roca Group implements its sustainability strategy through actions on many levels, from product development, material procurement, production, logistics, packaging, and transport, to promoting responsible use practices. As participants in the United Nations Global Compact Initiative, we set ourselves the goals such as decarbonization, circular economy, water neutrality, the development of sustainable products, and increasing the quality of employment. The most important thing for us is to achieve climate neutrality in 2045. A particular example of the Roca Group's global efforts is the reduction of water consumption by 53% and energy consumption by 50% since 2018.
At the Gliwice plant, we are running several projects to reduce electricity consumption. This includes the installation of variable frequency drives, which we are carrying out in cooperation with Control Service. In our factory, we use variable frequency drives in many processes. This includes the grinding process, mixing, ventilation, and drying processes. Our cooperation with Control Service began several years ago. It involved the installation of drives for the fans used in the drying process. The return on this investment came after just 7 to 8 months. Hence, encouraged by the large electricity savings, we have expanded this collaboration to include more projects and more processes. Over 3 years, Control Service has installed over 45 drives, enabling us to save more than 30% in electricity consumption each year.
The return on investment time obviously depends on the application. The shortest is for pumps and fans. Reducing RPM by 20% reduces energy consumption by half. In the case of constant torque drives, the energy savings are directly proportional to the reduction in speed. The ROI then requires more time.
Investment in drive technology should be treated as operating expense, not capital expenditure, as its benefits for companies are not a matter of the future. Installing devices, we think about savings to come tomorrow, not in a year or two. In addition to reducing energy costs, variable frequency drives also help to increase the efficiency and lifetime of equipment, further supporting sustainability goals.
In pursuit of those goals, Roca is supported by a cyclical service that is approached proactively and thus reduces the likelihood of unplanned downtime, thereby increasing operational efficiency.
Roca Group's collaboration with Control Service shows that investing in energy-efficient technology is an expression of concern for future generations and the environment, going hand in hand with a strategic economic decision. Energy-efficient technology means lower running costs and greater energy efficiency. As the Roca Group, we value working with professional partners with whom we share common values of sustainability.